The development of the C and E trikes has been warmly and gladly welcomed anywhere they make their debut or introduction. Featuring clean energy, low-cost maintenance, and fuel, how can one go wrong riding any of the two, as our Rod Lagusad reports.
Game changer. This is how the E-Trike and the C-Trike developed by the Electromobility Research and Development Center of Cagayan State University and the Department of Science and Technology are being described. The electric tricycle or E-Trike emits zero carbon and was designed by local inventors, while the C-Trike is a regular tricycle that has been converted to run on battery power. Its goal is to reduce pollution and expenses of tricycle drivers.
Gagamit ka na lang ng baterya. So yung baterya, alam naman natin, charge na lang to. So meron tayong dalawang mode na so yung conventional charging or yung fast charging, yung charm naman na dinevelop ng UP Diliman, yung charging in minutes.
This feature also includes battery swapping to eliminate downtime. A fully charged battery can last from 80 to 100 kilometers. But how much can a tricycle driver really save using these?
More than half ang matitipid nila kapag gagamit sila ng converted C-Trike compared dun sa kanilang two-stroke na ginagamit. Okay? So imagine mo po yan, 50%. So kung dati gumagastos ka ng 500, so nasa 250 na lang yung gastos mo kapag C-Trike yung ginamit mo.
This technology is already reaching the Visayas and Mindanao, where manufacturing is commercialization, while some local governments are showing interest, such as providing subsidies for tricycle drivers.
Di lang mga nasa kasalukuyang henerasyon, bagkus mga future generations napaka-importante kasi pangangalagaan natin ang ating kalikasan, and at the same time, economy-wise, much cheaper and feasible itong ating teknolohiya na to na makakapag-angat ng pamumuhay ng ating mga tricycle drivers.
This is in line with the government's goal to reduce carbon emission by 75% by the year 2030. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.